Hello everyone, I hope you're having an excellent Saturday. This is Ben Brooks over at MINI of Pensacola / Sandy Sansing BMW. Wanted to show you one of our recent trade-ins. This is a 2016 MINI Cooper S Convertible. That's right, a convertible. This car is awaiting to be inspected by our shop and of course to be detailed, but I wanted to give you a preview of it because this one will definitely not last long. It's got that nice malt brown leather seats, nice wheels. In fact, it is what we called back in 16 the fully loaded edition. Every option available in 16 is in this fully loaded MINI Cooper S Convertible. And a really nice feature on this car is, check this out, it's a 16. Look at those miles. That's right, 15,682 miles. We originally sold this car. The previous owner traded it in back to us. He took excellent care of it. Just kind of a fun car for him and his family. And of course, he's in another MINI now. Look at those seats, the leather. Like I said, there's no cracking or peeling or fading on this MINI. Take a look in the rear seats there. Some of the features that we have, of course, we got that center rest, armrest. Can be moved out of the way for more room. The e-brake or parking brake, and it is an automatic. It's got that nice piano black trim in the doors. Also, in addition to the power windows, it does have the power folding mirrors. Press that button while the car is, or the door is shut, I'm able to fold in these windows to keep them out of the way in those tight parking areas. Let's go ahead and start it up. Nice. We got a beep sound there from our top. There we go. Make sure that top's locked in position. Some of the cool features, we got navigation, we got Bluetooth. As far as under our media, we do have a hard drive. We're actually able to store music on the hard drive. That's right, as you can see there, music collection. Select option. See how much space we have to store music here. Wow, check that out. Over 20,480 megabytes worth of storage. So very nice feature. Because as you might remember, this year we did not have a CD player, or as of this year the CD player is gone. No worries, we still got Bluetooth for streaming your music, or you can just load it onto a jump drive and import it into the car through the connection there. That's a lot of memory you can store. Again, this one has dual climate controls, heated driver and passenger seats, push to start. It's got the keyless entry, cruise control, controls here for our voice commands, and of course automatic daytime running lights, automatic rain sensing windshield wipers. We got that auto dimming rear view mirror there. Look around, a nice little checkerboard design in the dash there. And it does, as you can see, the Harman Kardon sound system. So that's going to give you the tweeters and the A-pillars along with the mids here. And then of course under the driver and the passenger seat, we have the subwoofer. And in the back, we have additional speakers too behind the driver and the passenger. So really nice audio in this vehicle. Let's take a look under the engineering. Like I said, this one hasn't been cleaned yet, but that's kind of good sometime to kind of see how the car arrives to us. More or less helps you to appreciate how well the previous owner took care of it. So let's take a look up front here. Wow, nice. Was a garage kept convertible. Very clean. In fact, due to the low miles, he did maintain his battery. He kept it on the tender. For those weeks that he didn't drive it, to make sure that battery would still have its full potential when it was needed. Nice, clean underneath the bonnet there. Nice LED headlights. Let's take a walk around it one more time here. Check this out. Check out the boot. This is kind of cool. You're able to fold down these rear seats here and here. So it's got the split folding rear seats to give you a little bit more cargo room. In fact, enough of room back there. Those seats folded down for a couple sets of golf clubs. Or I should say golf bags. So lots of room back there. Nice wheels too. Doesn't appear to be any road rash on these wheels. Maybe on this one a tinge right there, but nothing major, very minor. Again, folks, if you're looking for a super clean used MINI Cooper S Convertible, this is the one. Again, this is Ben Brooks over at MINI of Pensacola. Let me know what you think about this one. Drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about any of our cars that we have at sandysensing.com, be sure to give me a call and I'll be glad to get a review of it for you or schedule you a test drive. Take care. Enjoy your Saturday.